ARMAT. Save a life, save a world. Innovative protection with our bulletproof products. We offer high-tech, lightweight armored glass solutions that meet international ballistic standards. Working together with our clients developing innovative protection solutions, meeting world quality standards. We have ISO 9001, IQNet and GS1 certification. This way we ensure and maintain the traceability of our products. Fulfilling our commitment to save lives, our continuous commitment to R&D allows us to offer an innovative line of automotive and architectural glasses with unsurpassed protection, optical quality, clarity of vision and UV protection. ARMAT. Security and resistance that saves lives. ARMAT Armored Glass for architectural and automotive use. Contact us at 561-962-2790 or visit armatarmor.com.